My name is Prajwal Birwadkar. Today I am explain what is PLL and its diagram also, and we discuss about function also. Let's discuss the basic idea of PLL. What is PLL? A PLL is a non-linear feedback system that tracks the phase of input signal and minimizes phase error at local oscillator. Means basically, whenever a local oscillator generates frequency, that we can get additional error also. So we want to remove that additional error. So we use a PLL. This is a basic idea of PLL. Let's move next slide. PLL diagram. Let I give you brief idea of PLL diagram. Whenever input signals comes to phase detector at same time, VCO signals output comes to phase detector as path of feedback path. Then output of phase detector signal R goes to low pass filter LPF. In LPF removes error from signal. Then the signals goes to VCO. VCO stands for voltage control oscillator. Then we got F0 as output. F0 R go to phase detector as path of feedback path, and the loop are continue. This is a basic idea of PLL diagram. Let's discuss how the PLL works and its functions. Phase detector. In phase detector we get two inputs. One is Fi and other is F0. Fi signals goes to input and F0 signals come to feedback path of VCO. Whenever two signals come to phase detector, the phase detector compare with Fi and F0. The output of phase detector is proportional to the phase difference between Fi and F0. Then we get output some error also. Let's move the next slide. Then the signals pass through LPF, low pass filter. In low pass filter, its remove high voltage frequency noise is called error also. In low pass filter we can use active low pass filter or passive low pass filter also. Then the output of LPF voltage signals goes to voltage controller oscillator. In VCO voltage control oscillator, voltage signals is converted to frequency signals is called as converter also. As its name suggests, it is oscillator whose frequency can be controlled by external voltage. VCO is generated high frequency signal and VCO frequency is controlled by input voltage of LPF, low pass filter. Means as shown in figure, whenever we increase of VC stand for input voltage come from LPF. Whenever we increase VC, the output of F0 will be increases like this. Sorry. Increases, and whenever we decrease VC, the output of voltage frequency F0 R decreases. Then the same output of frequency of VCO goes to phase detector as part of feedback path, and then phase detector goes to VCO output R goes to phase detector. Then phase detector comes to low pass filter, and then signals goes to voltage controller VCO. This like this loop are continue. In phase lock loop there are three stages. Let's discuss what is three stages in low pass phase lock loop. In phase lock loop, there are three stages. First is free running stage, second is capture mode, and third is phase lock stage. First is free running stage. Before input applied to phase lock loop is free is in free running stage, means whenever we not apply any input, that stage is called a free running stage. Second is capture mode. Once the input frequency is applied to voltage control oscillator VCO, the frequency state changes and the phase lock loop is said as capture mode. Means whenever we input the frequency, whenever we input the signal, that then the voltage control oscillator are fluctuated the signals, and that mode is called a capture mode. Third is phase lock stage. Whenever voltage control oscillator uh, produce an output frequency equals to input frequency, and then the phase lock loop set as phase lock stage. Means whenever VCO are generated dash frequency are equals to input frequency, then that stage is called as phase lock stage. I think I complete the phase lock loop. Okay, thanks.